Want to send songs directly to your friends on Instagram chat? Here's how. For this, make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Then, launch the Instagram app on your device. From the bottom menu, tap on the DM Messages icon right in the center. Select any friend, family member, or contact from the list to send music. In the chat box, tap on the sticker icon. Once again, select stickers from the 3 options at the bottom. You should see the music option appear. Tap on it. Instagram will open its music library. You can use the search bar to find your favorite song, and tap on the song to listen to it. If you like it, tap on the send button at the bottom. It will be sent instantly in the chat. The receiver will see a cool vinyl-style music card. And that's it.